Hello everybody, welcome back. We're in Rhinelander, Wisconsin at a railroad museum. There's an old Sioux Line steam engine built by Baldwin in, let's see, 1925. This thing is old. And we're on a track with a handcart way up the line. South down the line, there's a handcart. We're gonna actually be filming in a real abandoned line with tore up track. See, there's still a little bit of usage on it. Not much. Ties are long rotted out up ahead. There's an old signal. We're at the Rhinelander Railroad Museum. We might actually show you a hodag when we get close to it. And there's a long rotted tie. The ties are rotted out. These rods, the rod ends in right there. And that rod goes up, but can't touch on the switch. And look at this. Yeah, it really can't work. And that's the train that uses the line. I don't know when the track is used, but the trains are stored in the shed. I've never been here before on this old track. Oh, now it comes in on a high rail. The train track comes in on high rail. Those ties are gonna be long rotted out in the future. There's some old railroad equipment in there. Geez, these weeds are picking on me. There's a beetle having fun on the rod. And this can move. It can move on this track. And the train goes in right there. We'll go by the handcart. It's not a real person anyway. But there's actually an abandoned line we're gonna get out and film on our way back to a place. There's a trestle they tore up on the line, probably. This line was probably abandoned and then used for trackage. See, there's still some usement on the line, and there's the train that uses the track. And the railroad might actually not be used anymore in the upcoming years. Ties long rotted out. They use rocks right there. The trains can actually run on that part. We're gonna go check out the steam engine. That thing is pointing up west. We're actually going off south. When a train is coming, keep off tracks when the train is coming, and clear crossing quickly when it's coming as well. There is where we're gonna walk up the track after we explore the steam engine. I'm gonna ring this old Baldwin. Okay. All right, Abram, my turn. Wait, Mom, no. Okay. There's a train play area. And there's the track that the train sits on. High rail, long rotted out.
Some of the old cars.
These are what some of the first trains would look like. Kind of looks like a beer bottle. We're gonna hop on to the train here. And there's, yeah, we can actually go in the caboose. And this is our first time on a train.
Look at this.
Oh yeah, that's how trains would stop. There's my brother Abram using the thing. And I don't know what the machine or something.
Oh, it's a warehouse. I mean, that's what they parts.
There's the old track. There's Abram. And we're gonna explore the caboose. Okay.
I think all are different. There's a lot of different kinds.
See the track. Here we go.
Oh, pardon me.
You're fine. There is what a train would look like with treadmills. It like runs on sleighs. So that's amazing. And we're gonna go back to where we can hop on the track and explore. There it is, the rails. Nearly abandoned. Thunder Lake Lumber Company. So if you forgot, this train was built, number 5 was built by Baldwin in 1925. The train would run up all along this way, but where it would stop, they're long rotted out. I actually got real railroad spikes as well. Pine trees are growing on the train track, so this track won't be used any longer. All right, let's see where they stop. Oh, they run into a pine tree. You gotta be serious. And they stop just at this point. Okay, guys. Well, see you next time. Bye.